Achieve wealth with these skills. Many people dream of being financially secure and living a life of abundance, but only a few actually achieve it. The truth is, creating wealth requires specific skills and mindset that not everyone possesses. But don't worry, with the right guidance and determination, you too can unlock the key to building wealth and living the life you desire. Decision-making. When you're aiming to build wealth, being adept at decision-making is crucial. Hesitation or indecision, especially in moments requiring quick judgment on investments or business strategies, can lead to missed opportunities. Successful wealth builders have a knack for making prompt, well-informed decisions. They possess a deep understanding of their industry and the broader financial landscape, enabling them to choose wisely time again. Improving your decision-making skills involves taking on leadership roles for practice, using lists to evaluate options thoroughly, and seeking advice from knowledgeable peers. Active listening. Active listening is a pivotal skill in wealth creation. It's about more than just hearing words. It involves interpreting and responding to the underlying messages in conversations, particularly with clients or mentors. By mastering active listening, you can better understand the specific needs, desires, and concerns of those you're working with or seeking advice from. This skill ensures you tailor your strategies effectively, fostering stronger relationships and making informed decisions that align with your wealth-building objectives. Clear and concise communication. In the journey to wealth, the ability to communicate clearly and concisely is indispensable. This skill ensures that complex financial concepts are made accessible, allowing clients and collaborators to fully grasp the strategic advice or investment plans you propose. Mastering this form of communication not only builds trust, but also facilitates smoother transactions and decision-making processes. To improve, focus on distilling information to its essence and using language that bridges the gap between expert knowledge and layman's understanding. Making good investments. Making good investments is a cornerstone skill in the journey toward achieving wealth. It enables you to amplify your financial resources by engaging in opportunities that offer a promising return. This skill encompasses understanding market trends, evaluating potential risks and rewards, and knowing when to enter or exit an investment. Effective investment strategies are not inherent. They are cultivated through education, like taking mobile home wholesaling courses and experience. These strategies can lead to significant wealth accumulation by focusing on opportunities with favorable risk-reward ratios, thus minimizing potential losses while maximizing gains. Understanding and applying these principles is vital for anyone looking to grow their wealth through investments. Analytical prowess, making data-driven decisions. Analytical prowess in wealth creation involves a deep dive into quantitative skills and problem solving. To thrive, one must be proficient in analyzing financial statements, understanding risk assessments, and pinpointing market trends. This ability is pivotal when evaluating investment opportunities or determining the viability of a financial strategy. Equally important is the skill to tackle problems head-on, using analytical insights to craft effective solutions in a dynamic market. Excelling in these areas will enable you to make strategic, data-driven decisions that can significantly impact your wealth-building journey. Professionalism and ethics. In the realm of wealth creation, professionalism and ethics serve as the bedrock of sustained success. This involves not only adhering strictly to legal frameworks, but also conducting oneself with the utmost integrity. Successful wealth builders recognize that trust is a currency as valuable as any financial asset. They ensure that all dealings are transparent, fair, and conducted in a manner that respects the well-being of all parties involved. Emphasizing these principles not only fortifies your reputation, but also safeguards your journey toward financial prosperity against the pitfalls of short-term gains achieved through questionable means. Adaptability and continuous learning. In an ever-changing economic landscape, adaptability and continuous learning are key to achieving wealth. Staying informed about shifts in market trends, regulatory updates, and the emergence of innovative investment strategies ensures that you remain competitive. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner by regularly attending workshops, webinars, and conferences related to your field. Engaging with new ideas and technologies not only enhances your skill set, but also allows you to swiftly adjust your strategies in response to the dynamic financial environment. This proactive approach to learning and adaptation is crucial for those looking to build and sustain wealth over the long term. Strong work ethic and time management. A strong work ethic and proficient time management skills are indispensable for anyone aiming to achieve wealth. This combination allows for the diligent pursuit of goals and the efficient allocation of time to various tasks, ensuring that every action taken contributes towards your wealth-building objectives. By developing a disciplined approach to your work and learning to prioritize your tasks wisely, you can maximize productivity and effectiveness in your efforts to secure financial success. These skills are crucial in maintaining momentum and focus, especially when navigating the challenges and opportunities that come with wealth creation. Leadership. Every millionaire is a leader, embodying the essence of following great leaders while evolving into one. They are adept at taking responsibility and initiative during challenging times, ensuring those around them feel secure and supported. True leaders excel in testing times, not only passing the test themselves, but also inspiring confidence and belief in others. Their ability to reassure and motivate allows them to guide their teams towards achieving the unimaginable, a critical component in the journey to wealth.